Hi everyone, John Cleese here with Lake Effect Garden and Design, and today it's a cold and snowy day here in Michigan right after Thanksgiving, but I want to show you a new patio that just got put in yesterday here at my house. So here is the new patio, actually patio and retaining wall, and I love the way this looks with the slopes all around it, and they did a really great job of burying those timbers in. But I decided to do a gravel patio, so I'm trying to get this video before the snow gets too deep. It's just starting to snow here, but this is with 3/4 inch limestone. So you can see here under the chair, you can see the limestone, and it's a great alternative if you want. I have a lot of decks and I didn't want to do another deck, and I wasn't necessarily looking for another hardscape patio, and I actually also wanted something that was kind of soft. And if you can see here, the post on my porch, I kept this open because I want to plant plants in there. I want a very soft edge with plants that are going to be in here. And also I can plant on the side here if I want to. Here, the snow covered up, but there's a timber here, but I can plant a little bit if I want to on the side. I've got some boxes here getting ready to do some Christmas decoration, but this is a great alternative to decks, hardscaping patio if you want to. It drains really well. And there's a number of plants that can grow right in the limestone, like Blazing Star or your Liatris, and prairie smoke. So if you're looking for a new project, consider putting in a gravel patio. Thanks, and I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to the channel Lake Effect Garden and Design, and like this video if you'd like to see more of them. Thanks, bye.